Hey everybody, it's CompHelp. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to go over how to change the start icon in your start button. Alright, this is kind of a long tutorial, especially if you want to make your image transparent. Okay, which means that, it's just your icon and it's not just a brick, like a square there. Alright, so you're going to need a few things here. You're going to need, if you want to make your image transparent, you're going to need Adobe Photoshop. Okay, I don't know how to do it with anything else. And if you want to do this at all, you're going to need to go to this website. I'll have the link up and download ResHacker. What you want to do is scroll down the page all the way until you get to the Europe version, download it, extract the files, and you should be good to go. You'll have your ResHacker up there. Alright, now let me remind you that you will need to back up your files, okay, such as Explore, and make sure you create a restore point from your system tools, because if you mess up on something, you're gonna want to go back and put everything back and try it over again. Okay, so believe me, you do want to make that restore point, because I already had to restore back to a point already. Alright, so to back up your stuff, I'm just gonna do it with you here. Go to your start button, go to my computer, go to local disk C, alright, and make a backup folder. Alright, right click, new folder, just name it backup. Go into your Windows folder, scroll down so you get to your Explorer file, right click it, copy it, go back, go into your backup folder and paste it in there. Alright, that's how you back up your Explorer folder. You're never going to touch that one. If you ever, do some registry modifications or alterations, you don't want to mess with your backup file. You always want to mess with a new Explorer file that you made. In my case, all I did was copied my Explorer Explorer.exe file onto the Windows folder again and named it Explorer Hack. And that's how I already have my start button icons. Hold on one second, I have the doorbell. Alright, so anyway, you just want to back up your Explorer Hack or your Explorer file, make another Explorer.exe file, and name it whatever you want. This is the one that you're going to hack, okay? So, don't worry, you're not going to touch this Explorer file. I just always have that backup in the backup folder anyway. Alright, so, sorry for I'm out of breath. Okay, anyway. Just do the Explorer Hack thing, and you're good to go. I already have one made because I already have my stuff already done. I already have my text changed and stuff. You can do that. It's in a different video that I have of mine. Okay, so you have that backed up, and now what you need to do is go ahead, go to your all programs. What we're going to do is create a restore point. Go to accessories and go over to system tools. Go to system restore. Go to create a restore point. Click next, and just go through it and make your restore point. Name it like before I made the start icon. I changed the start icon. And yeah, this will really save your butt if something happens, So I've already done mine. Yeah, everything's good to go. So now we have our ResHacker. We have everything backed up. We are ready to start. Okay, and just so you guys know, just minor disclaimer: if anything happens to your computer, which nothing should, I will not be held responsible. You are making the choice to go on yourself. Okay. And remember, we already backed up our stuff, so I'll be able to help you if anything, but I won't take responsibility for anything. Alright, so what you want to do is go ahead and open up ResHacker, click File, Open, and go into your Windows folder. It should already be there, and just scroll over to your Explorer Hack file or whatever you made, and click Open. Now you want to go to Bitmap and go to 143.1033. This is where your file or icon is located. Alright, now before we go any farther, this is where you want to decide, alright, do I want to just have a total block as my start icon? Because see how it's black over here? I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in here. It's black, right? Of course it's not shown in black. That's because I went through a whole Photoshop thing just to get it transparent, which I'll go over with you right now, which is going to make this video really long. Okay, now if you want all of it just filled in, and it's going to be a square like that, which is a 25 by 20 bitmap sized image, go ahead, make whatever image you want. You know, I mean, you can make any background color, whatever you want. Go ahead, do that, and just skip the Photoshop part of this video, okay? Or actually, I'll do it right now. I'll just change it to the original icon. Okay, so let's say you have your icon made or whatever. What you want to do is highlight 1033, go to Action, Replace Bitmap, open File with New Bitmap, go over to your desktop or wherever you saved your icon at, and I saved my original icon. Watch, let me go to Thumbnails. You can see that I have the original start icon saved already. I'll click Open, Replace. Okay, so now you can see it replaced. Now what you need to do is open up your task manager. I personally like using Control Alt and Delete to open my task manager. Alright, there's plenty of other different ways to do it. Go over to Processes, click Image Name to categorize it by the image name. Mine is called explorehack.exe. Highlight it, click End Process, and click Yes. Now you'll see your icons disappear. You'll see your start bar disappear. Go to Applications, this tab up here. Go to New Task, Explore Hack, or no, actually, go back over here to the Resource Hacker. Okay, so you haven't saved it yet. Go to File, Save. It's easy as that. Okay, so in Resource Hacker, File, Save, and then you can go back over here and click OK. And there you go. You can see the Windows icon is back up. Alright, that's all you would do if you have a regular block icon. Now, if you want, you can continue with this video, and I'll show you with Adobe Photoshop. I don't know how to do it with any other program, so I wouldn't ask. This is Adobe Photoshop, how to make a transparent icon. Let's say you have a show logo or whatever. I will do that right now. Okay, so let's say you want to make your icon transparent. Here's what you want to do. You want to make sure you save your original icon. Okay, so what I mean by original icon is this Windows icon. Alright, so there it is. What you want to do is go to Action, Save Bitmap 1033. Make sure you're selected on that. Click that. And what I actually did is on my desktop folder, I made a Start Icon Backup folder, just so I can always revert back to it, And let me just show you what it looks like. It's right there. It's fine. And I'm actually just going to go on the desktop and save it again right here. Okay, so I have two of the original icons. Right, so I already have it saved, so I don't have to save it more than twice. Save it again. Go ahead and open it up on my desktop, the Start Icon original. Not my backup one, but just this one. Open, because you're going to modify this one here. I want to make it a little bit bigger here, and I'm going to zoom in to where I can see, the pixels clearly, each individual pixel. Alright, now here's what you want to do, okay? With that open, go into your layers, okay? With that open, you want to actually color it all black. Alright, color it all black. Alright, make sure it's, you can use whatever you want. I use my brush to color it black. You can use your pencil, whatever you want. Now, make sure that you have your image that you want it replaced with already, sized at 20 by 20. Okay, my icon is originally like 500 by 500. I just sized it down to 20 by 20. Make sure you have that done already, and I already have it zoomed in and everything. You see, like this is 20 by 20 right there. I just zoomed in like a bunch to make it visible here. Okay, so all you're gonna do now is hover over and drop it into the original icon.bmp file. Alright, so now you can see my icon is over here in the original, what's it called, Windows thingamajig image, okay, BMP image. Alright, so now that I have my icon over here, it's size 20 by 20. It fits perfectly. Make sure that you place your icon as much as you can to the left, okay, because all these pixels over here, I think the first 5 or something like that, should be free, because it would be cladding with the text on your start button. So I just put it all the way to the side, just keep it safe here. Alright, 20 by 20, keep it to the side. What else should we do? Go to channels, or actually hold Control and press E to merge the channels or the layers together. Sorry about this, my speech is kind of bad today. I'm sick actually. So Anyway, Control E, and you just merged the layers together. Now what you want to do is, I think you want to double click it, just click OK to unlock it. Now you can go to Channels, and what you want to do is click on your Alpha 1 channel here. Okay, click on your Alpha 1 channel here and make sure they are all visible. Okay, so click RGB, you know, the eyeball. So now all the layers are visible. Now what you want to do is actually go over with your, I'm going to go over with my pencil here instead of my brush. Pencil tool, I'm going to click black. Okay, the color is black. And you want to select all these, you just want to color everything black, alright? You're going to see that all your colors are actually going to turn red, right? Now this is the alpha channel, is what messes with all your transparent colors and everything. It makes, you know, yeah, alpha. If you've messed with files of 4, you'll know alpha means transparency, really. Well, in my mind it does. That's what everything usually means, or opacity. Okay, so there you go. Everything is red, alright? It looks pretty good. Now, all you're going to do is make your foreground color white now. It was black before, now you're going to make it white. Now, you're going to basically color everything that you want to show up on the icon. Okay, so I'm going to cut off, see this top part right here? I'm going to cut that off, because, yeah. So everything else, I'm going to color white. There we go. See, I even cut off this edge right here. I'm going to cut off all those edges like that, because that would kind of give it a unprofessional look. There you go. I like doing the border first. Right. Looks good so far. Now color in all the inside. Now this is what is not going to be transparent. This is what's going to show up on the icon. Okay. Sorry for all the steps, but you know, this is necessary to make it, you know, look nice. So it doesn't just look like an image when you click on the start button or hover over it. Alright, so there we go. It is finished. That's what's going to show up. Now what you want to do is turn off the visibility on Alpha 1, okay? And you can see it looks, you know, just looks all nice and regular. And you're basically finished. All you have to do now is go over to, whoops, almost clicked Spore. Go to File, Save As, go ahead and go to BMP, and I'm going to name this VV Logo Start. Okay, Start. I'm going to click Save, make sure Alpha Channels is selected, and use lower, nah, that's fine. Click Save, make sure it's 32-bit for Windows, and click OK. Alright, now, if you saw earlier in the video, now we're just going to replace it using ResHacker. File, Open. I'm going to open up my hack, Explorer hack file, open, Bitmap 143.1033, action, replace bitmap, open file. I actually saved it onto my desktop. This is the one I just made. Open, replace, and before I do anything, I need to open up my task manager, processes, look for my Explorer hack.exe, end the process, applications, new task, OK. Whoops, forgot to save it actually. End the process again. Let me see. End process, yes. File, over here on Resource Hacker, go to File, Save, New Task, and click OK. And there you go. Now you have your icon nice and transparent. I mean, you can still see a few black dots. You can go over it and fix that, you know, just color it in black, you know, with the pencil black, with the Alpha 1 layer selected. You know, you can make it as perfect as you want, but this is just for the video. Yep, that's how you do it. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Your subscriptions really do matter to me. It helps me, you know, move along in my YouTube career. And I don't know if this will apply to you now, but soon I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Today is, what's today? It's July 8th, so I don't know when I'm going to have the giveaway, but check my YouTube channel banner for more information. Alright, that's all I'm going to say about it. and if it's not there, that means the giveaway is over. Okay, and this video is in the future. It's there in the future. Alright, please rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, whatever. I hope you've liked this video. Kind of experienced, not really. As long as you followed my steps, you should get it, and everything should be fine. You can go ahead and continue with this video to show you how to fix or go back to your restore point if all your icons on your desktop are gone and your taskbar is gone. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to open up your restore point to revert to back in case anything goes wrong. So, yeah. Okay, you're in this position. This is how to open up your restore point to go back to restore your whole thing back again. Alright, so you're at this point where sometimes you open up your task manager, you open up your start a new task, open up your Explorer file, even your backup file. It doesn't work. It brings up like a different window and everything, and you can't get your stuff back. What do you do? Okay, what you would normally do is when you open up your Explorer file, it would bring up something like a what's it called? A window. Okay, so like a window like this would pop up for some people, right? And you're like, okay, what do I do from here? I just tried to open up my Explorer file and I just got this. I didn't get all my stuff back. Well, all you have to do really is go to search, and this is what I did. I went to search, I went to all files and folders, and I searched restore or system restore. Okay, and I click search, and it'll search all my files. Or actually, let me see. What I do? Stop. System restore, and I checked my C drive. Search. Right now, it's going to check your whole C drive for anything that has to do with system restore. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until it pops up here. Alright, so my system restore popped up. It turns out it's in what folder is it in? Let me see. It's in C, Documents and Settings, All Users, Start Menu, Programs, Accessories, and System Tools. All you would have to do is, stop the search, double click that, and there you go. You can restore my computer to an earlier time, click Next, and go back to whatever point you would want, and your taskbar should be back and everything is fine. So you can go ahead and write that down in case you don't want to do the search results. It's just easier for me. So there you go. That's all you have to do if nothing shows up. And yeah, hope this helped you guys. Remember, this would only work if you made the system restore point. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Again, I hope I've helped. I mean, this is an awesome video that I made, I think, for all you guys who want to customize your start button. So thank you for watching this video. Peace out.